We are going to be stipulating to the admissibility of the cell phone records that were subpoenaed from AirTouch, but the stipulation that was previously framed needs to be.
My apologies to you for the late starting time. However, we have been engaged this morning, both in chambers and here in open court, on matters that pertain to the testimony that you're hearing today.
I would argue, Your Honor, that this misrepresentation to the court, given that it occurred in a question that was posed to Mr. Kalin, to which there was an objection, merits some sort of a stern remedy. I would argue, Your Honor, that the remedy that we would seek for this transgression would be, first, a stern admonishment to Ms. Clark to be very careful in her questioning in front of the jury.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Park.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You're reminded you are still under oath.
May I proceed, Your Honor?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Park, just a couple other questions with regard to the two duffel bags that were on the ground. When you pulled in with the limousine, they were out in front of Mr. Simpson's house.
And when you were looking in that location, did you see a white Ford Bronco?
No, I didn't.
Regarding this particular bag, which I'd like to mark, and ask him whether or not this particular bag I have in my left hand here appears similar in size and shape and color to regarding the location of this smaller bag that was some 20 feet away from you. Recall that?
Yes.
As you think back in your mind's eye, if you think back in your mind's eye, can you tell us how far that second bag was away from the second car, if the second car was there?
Do you understand the question, sir?
Yes.
You may answer.
It seemed to be 3 to 5 feet behind the back bumper.
You do solemnly swear that the testimony you may give in the cause now pending before this court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Please have a seat to witness stand and state and spell your first and last names for the record.
Is there a trash can anywhere near your stand where you work?
Yes, just to the left of it.
They say this is the gene frequency of the profile. And nobody would suggest that we're at a point now where those tests in particular, those PCR-based tests,